Hey guys, today we're going to talk about writing expressions for word problems. I broke it down into 4 separate steps. Some of these problems I'll go over with you. Stop writing. And then the others I would like for you to do on your own. So let's start going over some of these. So step 1, make sure you are underlining the important stuff. Try to label your keywords. Identify your variable, so your unknown value. And then make sure at the end you're answering the question. For all of these, we will be writing an expression. I know for some of them you can probably just figure out on your own, but I really want us practicing how to write an expression for these. So if we look at the first one, Leilani's, that's how I'm pronouncing it. Leilani's age is 4 years more than twice Kimo's age. Kimo is K years old. Write an algebraic expression to represent Leilani's age. If Kimo is 12 years old, how old is Leilani? Leilani? If you know how to pronounce it, please tell me. All right. All right, so I need to underline my important information. We know that her age is 4 more than twice Kimo's age. Kimo is K years old. And then we need to write an algebraic expression. And then this part, if Kimo is 12, how old is Leilani? So labeling my keywords here. I know I have 4. More than is telling me plus. And then I'm multiplying Kimo's age by 2. Which we know that Kimo's age is represented by K. So already here you can see, all right, I just have an expression. So to write an algebraic expression, my answer would be 4 plus 2K. And then to answer the second part, if Kimo is 12 years old, how old is that person whose name starts with L? I can just take 12 and substitute it in for K. So I would have 4 plus, 2 times 12. 2 times 12 is 24. And then I have to add 4. My final answer will be 28 years old. Years young. Haha. All right. Let's do the next problem as well. Jared splits his bag of J jelly beans into 2 equal piles and gives 1 pile to his brother. Then he gives his brother 7 more beans. Write an algebraic expression to represent the number of beans his brother has. So underlying my important information, we know that the number of jelly beans is represented by the variable J. He splits them into 2 equal piles and gives the other one to his brother. I don't care about that. And then he gives his brother 7 more beans. We need to write an algebraic expression to represent the number of beans his brother has. So we know that if he splits it into 2 equal parts, he's either dividing it by 2 or multiplying by 1/2. And then he's giving away 7 of his beans. So he's adding 7 beans to his brother's pile. So I can take 1/2 of his brother's beans and then add 7 to find out how many beans Jared's brothers has. Okay, so now below I have, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 problems for you to try out on your own. For all of them, you're writing an expression and then answering just a little question using that expression afterwards. The answers will be posted on Schoology, so you can check them right when you're done. If you have any questions, join my office hours or send me an email. Okay, bye.